Yo, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Boon's Hero Hub. This is Avery, our AI assistant.
I am Avery, the channel's designated AI assistant.
I feel exciting to share with you about YF-21 HG today. Maybe it is bad, maybe it is good. Let's check it out.
The YF-21 is a prototype for the Project Supernova competition. Its most unique feature is the Brain Direct Image System, allowing the pilot to control the fighter with their brainwaves. The unit's limiter release mode enables it to shed limbs for unmatched speed and agility, though this places a dangerous amount of G-force stress on the pilot. Through mock battles with the YF-19, the YF-21 proved its potential as a top-tier, challenging fighter. This HG-1 100 YF-21 costs 4,300 Japanese yen, excluding tax, and releases in 2024. Its new, shortcut change system uses interchangeable parts to simplify the three-stage transformation, ensuring a precise form in all modes without complex internal structures. This design also allows for superior mobility in the head, chest, and shoulder joints, enabling a wide range of poses. The kit includes parts to create the limiter off mode, a canopy with polarized molding, and clear, pinpoint barrier punch effect parts. It is a highly accurate and posable model that faithfully represents the YF-21.
Hey everyone, I'm so excited to get this thing open. Let's take a look at the box first. Wow, it's really thick and solid. It feels like they've packed a lot of awesome stuff inside for us. Look at this. The runners are absolutely packed. We are looking at a total of 9 runners and 2 sticker sheets here. These are going to be a great for adding all the small details. Now, check out the manual. This is a good, beautiful booklet. The full color cover is stunning, and the inside, even though it's in clear grayscale, is light out so well. You can tell they put a lot of care into designing this. Okay guys, I'm happy to report that the assembly process went a lot smoother than I expected. After about 5 hours of building, I can say this kit is really well engineered. I didn't run into any major issues or unexpected problems, and everything just fit into place perfectly. This was a really fun and straightforward build. Now that it's all put together, you can really appreciate the final result.
The assembly of the YF-21 is now complete. As you can see, even as a straight-built kit, it already achieves a formidable appearance. The color separation in many areas is well executed, with a notable number of multicolor parts included. However, as is typical for an HG product, it still requires additional detailing and painting to achieve a perfect, screen-accurate finish. The unit stands at roughly 15 centimeters tall and weighs approximately 74 grams.
Alright, let's talk about articulation. Starting from the top, the head movement is decent. It's not amazing, but you can definitely get some good poses out of it, and waist also pretty solid. But the chest, as the official description said, can actually swing forward and backward, which is a nice little touch. Moving the arms, the shoulders can almost hit a full 90 degrees. So let's just call it a day and say it can. The elbows are also a nice clean 90 degrees, no surprises here. Now for the legs, you can get a pretty standard front kick, but you can see that the back kick is a bit limited by the parts on the back. The knees also bend at clean 90 degrees. As for the side splits, the most you are going to get is about 90 degrees. So what do you guys think? Does this level of articulation work for you?
The model's overall structural integrity is solid. After a stress test, there were no signs of parts coming loose. Furthermore, the unit remains stable while standing on one leg.
This kit comes with a few replacement parts for transformation, which make changing between modes a lot easier. We also get a good variety of hand parts, so you can give the YF-21 plenty of different poses. And of course, we have some awesome effect parts, including that cool looking punch effect for the pinpoint barrier punch. These models uses replacement parts to transform, which make the whole process so much easier. The main part we are swapping out are the arms and legs. A quick word of advice. Everyone, just be careful when you are swapping the parts to avoid any wear and tears over time. But honestly, I'm just so impressed that an HG kit can achieve a transformation this detail. It's a huge step up for the series, and I think it shows just how much care they put into the design. Alright everyone, that's all for today's review. On the scale of 0 to 10, how would you rate this kit? Please leave a comment below.
Please click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with fellow enthusiasts.
Thanks for watching.